Hello guys, this is boy Pinky. I'm back for another video. Today I'll walk you through how to download Python in your Windows machine. This step is very easy. You go to any browser and hit Python and click it and go to official website python.org and click download, and you see download the last version for Windows. Download it and wait until the download is finished. When it's finished, double click on it. You see, upgrade now. I'm install. I'm install. I mean, uninstall. Download that version before. Just install it to upgrade our version Python, and wait until the install it in is finished. It's depending on your internet connection or machine performance. This may take time, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, at least 5 minutes and a half. Just take time. You see, we have successfully installed the Python. Close that, and this video for today I hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.